Welcome to Water Life, where we dive into today's biggest environmental challenges of our time. I'm Zaisha
And I'm Ishan. Today we're tackling a crisis that is devastating marine life and millions of livelihoods. Overfishing. But what if AI could turn off the tide?
Let's start with India. The hills of fish, once abundant, is disappearing because juvenile fish are caught before they can reproduce. This has thrown the entire ecosystem off balance.
And in Kerala, it's even worse. 80% of fishing boats have been docked due to plummeting fish stocks. Climate change and overfishing have pushed fishermen to the edge. But this is why AI is a game changer. Imagine satellites detecting illegal fishing in real time and stopping it before it happens. This is happening right now with AI-powered satellite surveillance.
And it's not just about that. AI is analyzing ocean temperatures to identify sustainable fishing zones, ensuring that we catch only what the ocean can replenish. It's not just about the fish, it's about the millions of people who rely on food and income from fishing. Overfishing is a global crisis, but AI-driven solutions could help restore balance.
The future of marine life and the communities depend on it hinges the choices we make today. Thanks for tuning into Water Life.
And remember, let's all protect our oceans together. It's not